We need more B. We need more B.
Hold on, I'm coming to B then. Oh, Gary, one's dropping. He's about to. Oh, it's closed.
No, all they gotta do is click terminal for it to.
Yeah, make sure they don't click that. Make sure they don't click that shit.
They're just not pushing.
Oh, they're in B. Get ready.
Yo, we need more. There's only 4 of us here. 5 of us.
B. Come on, reinforce that shit, cause
Jump the turn, bro. If we lose it, then screwed.
5 of us.
Instant recap.
2, 3, 4, 5. We can't lose this. No way we do. You good, Purple?
Why are you asking me that, bro?
What are you shooting at?
I can't practice aiming. They sucked, I know.
It's fine. I just wanted to win here since last time we rated baseline 57. They talked a lot of shit.
We're still
I'm in
dog
this.
shit, and
I'm in this.
He was also like, win at our base, and I'll consider rating.
There's a lot of them coming. A lot of them coming.
Yeah, just get ready. We still need more B.
Oh, they're in the tunnel. Staircase. He's low. Oh, I just ended that guy's whole career. He's so low in there. Oh, there's 2. Alright, 1 dead. 1 more.
There's more than 2. Where there's like 4 in there.
You don't reinforce B now. We lose this.
Reinforce B. Reinforce behind them. B tunnel. Where are you guys at? Nah, Purple, don't push that.
There's 2 more. They're both one shot. One more.
All dead. Good shit. Don't lose turn now. Get around it. Guys, reinforce B. It's literally right next to our spawn, and you can get there for free without getting shot or hit by anyone. Like, it's actually the easiest reinforcement route.
I don't think they know how to get to B. I didn't know how to get here either.
So easy to get here. I literally showed us like 2 times.
Now I know.
Oh, there's an external. This. Where are you guys even fighting people in spawn right now?
They're at our zip line still. Shooting our zip line. I think they're just off spawning, bro.
I haven't played this base in a few years. Give me a minute to remember this
Wait,
stuff.
I think I know where I am.
Wait, they're literally not even set up in streets anymore. Their full team's coming to B right now. Get to B, guys. Get to B. There's no reason we should lose this. We're out aiming them by a lot, apparently.
B. I got 1 HP already. We're losing it.
They're in B. Reinforce.
They're pushing it.
I'm trying to find my way back.
Nigga, there's like 2 people there, bro. They're all one shot.
Bro, stay alive. Can you guys please get to B? We've been saying it this whole time.
We're coming. Like 2 of us.
On spawn, go to your right. Got him. And now you guys.
Go to your right, go through.
I don't know if there's still more people, but I got 1.
Make sure they don't get it. Get around B with swords.
I got the other guy. There's probably another one hiding. I got 2.
They might
Alright, if you're not in B, go to that other point that we have right now.
Not yet. Stay there.
If you're not in B.
Oh yeah, never mind. Yeah, I guess. It's not really my... What?
We're just doing the term.
Okay. Okay. B team, go through the tunnel. Go up the stairs. Go through the
Logs,
tunnel.
you check logs.
I think it was just term that
Oh,
blows
rotate out,
up.
rotate out B, rotate out B, come on.
Go through the tunnel. Go through the tunnel. Go up the stairs. Go up the stairs, and then the opening. Go up this. Go, rotate out the tunnel. Go through the stairs and the opening.
Yo, team Alpha, bro, team him. They're not gonna team in, they're retarded. Team into Raiders.
Where did I just get shot from? What the fuck?
Come through again. Come through again. Listen. We're going through B. Everyone come through B. We're gonna go. Actually, no. Wait, hold on. Everyone follow me off spawn. Alpha, come. They're set up everywhere on our roof, man. We can't even push past this.
Come on me. Look above
Just
us.
follow me off spawn. Just follow me off spawn. Follow me.
I'm up.
They just kicked me from the game.
Why?
I don't know. I think it might be full. What are the numbers?
I mean, 15.
Oh yeah, it's 10v15.
Follow me, Fritz. Follow me. We can hold this.
Oh, fucking idiot. Oh, I gotta go sideways.
Who doesn't
we
hear
have
us, bro?
Blacklight Octasians, bro. Follow me. Infobot Fritz. Oh, what the? Kill this kid. I didn't even. Okay, I'm already low. That's lovely. Come up. Come up the teleporter as quick as possible. Oh, they're holding outside. Win that fight. Fritz, to your left. Your left. Fritz Infobot. Win that. It's a 2v1. Octasian, follow me. Bro, can I leave spawn without getting lasered off the zip line? Like, god damn. Just don't even go down.
Don't get on it. Yeah, don't even get on it, bro. It's not even worth it.
Oh, there's a guy in our spawn. How'd he get from there to our spawn?
Teleporters, like we did. Sure.
Bro,
Hey, can we
there's
get
a command he's doing that's just tagged. And I don't know what it is.
Can't.
Alright, get back to the term where everyone is. Go through the way I showed you. I probably should be taking this more seriously, but I really need to get this done. Go through this way. Follow Steps to stock. He knows where it is. We only.
I do.
Bro, purple. When I met this thermal guy, like every clan accused him of FPS aimbotting. Not thermal, terminal. Follow me. Octagian, Splash Dog, come here. Just get to the term. Forget them if they're holding down there. We can shoot down at them.
There's another way you can
Come
get
through.
out. That's where I was going.
Oh yeah, there's like a stack up, I think, somewhere.
Yeah, Octavian, we're wasting our time. Come here. You're going all the way around.
One right in front of you, Infobot. Why is he targeting my ass? God damn. You're closer. Another one, close. Guys, we lost the cap now. Infobot, play around cap with your forward. Your friend Teddy. Your friend Teddy, you hold. Oh, we're holding both? Alright, sick. Listen. If you're on the turn where I am, we're just doing this as a distraction. Shoot down at the people.
Oh,
Holding other
my
places.
turn. Got him. Just killed Papa. Yes. This fine bitch. Reinforce, guys. Reinforce the turn. Shit.
Bro, if we had a sniper up here, this would be perfect. But I can't.
That is me, Selector. I'm literally sniping people from up here.
Are you hitting your shots?
Yeah, I got 2 people. I went from 2 to 4 kills right now. Because I can't see them. Because of the stupid fog.
Can't see them because of my render distance. Alright, Teddy, Infobot, just stay here. I mean, honestly, bro,
Hey, yo, how'd I pick classes?
with how much we outclass these guys, I'm not even concerned.
Behind. How do you even reach me? What the fuck?
Stay with us, Soul. There's another one, money. So,
Got
there's
another
two,
one.
There's two on the list. Stay alive, don't drop them. They're waiting for us to drop.
Hey, yo, cat for me.
I can't angle him. Oh, I see one. Missed. He got behind the building.
Oh, that means he's gonna teleport up.
Nope.
Oh, Infobot. Two on me and Infobot.
Oh, but don't drop, there's two there.
To our left.
There's
Right
Two
there.
on left, that's me. Go down.
Coco money, get ready. They're coming.
Nice.
Two close there.
There's one more.
Where's the other one?
He's
Coco,
not on
one more,
turn.
Coco, one more.
He probably ran back. Either that or he ran for the pause or they
I
have
saw that money. Coco, he's coming. Keep that.
Just keep shooting
Win this,
for
bro.
dog.
Yeah, we held my point.
Oh, Teddy on me. He's on me.
Where?
I don't know. He just shot at me somewhere.
Yo,
He's
money,
one shot.
Coco and I can hold this. Everybody else go to where selector is.
I'm going up the
Purple.
stair.
You need most of the team there. This is the easiest point to hold. Just stay where you are.
Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, shoot it. Yeah, they got
Send most
that.
of the team to
Oh,
where
I
you
see him.
are.
I see him.
They got that too.
Got him. Hit him once.
We got
He's
shot
rushing me.
from
He's
everywhere.
rushing me. Got him. He's dead.
Oh, that's it.
One above.
Most of the team go to where purple is. We can hold this
Told
with
you
like
we
two
lost
people.
it.
the entire time. It's fine.
Purple, you
It's
give me-
fine.
Okay.
No, purple. It's fine. Just keep going there.
Sure,
Keep
come.
going there.
Yeah, it's base
This
sucks, boys.
point is free.
Win,
We need
never
most of
rated
the
again.
team there.
If we get a win, we never raid this shit again.
Oh,
Wait, Bloxford, did you get that guy?
Is there. He sorted me through the crate. Vertex 2 coming to you. It's fine. Me, your friend Teddy and Vertex just keep going back here. And back to the top point. Everyone else go to where purple is.
Oh, somebody in turn. Yeah, they disabled it.
It's fine. It doesn't matter.
There's two.
Our main focus is on the A point, because we hold that point pretty easily. Yeah, you know this base ain't fun. I'm just raiding to fight these guys.
He's dead. Finish her. The what's that?
Do I recap the term?
You can.
No, not yet. Don't cap it yet. Wait for me
Everyone go
get
to the
back.
term that. Everyone go to the term that's on activated right now. That one's important.
Why do Kyrex and them keep coming over here? I wonder.
Cracks and Thermal are just playing for kills at this point, so we're fine.
They're
Oh.
trolling. Everybody just go to term.
Yeah, they're trolling.
I know why they come here
Hey,
now.
Bloxburg, on
They
that
can
roof.
punch.
Hey, selector, one came. Do the thing. They should be at the entrance right now.
That's fine. Let them come.
One's in turn. One disabled
The
it.
whole thing. Wait, what?
He's right there.
Oh. What the?
Remember, all they
you
gotta do is
Just let them
click the
keep
term.
on.
They don't even have to tap.
The more
it.
people,
They just gotta click
we
it.
have rotating off, the better for us. The more people they have rotating off is better for us. So just keep playing. Just keep playing this. We don't want to cap it. We just want to distract them. And if we distract them long enough, it'll get turned down. How many recons do we have?
I'm on
Who's
recon,
big?
and I know that Bloxburg is on recon. So
What
I
did
don't know who
do?
else is on recon.
There's only 2 recons that you can pick up. Unless
Red Panda.
glitching it.
Dude, you have like way less.
Alright. I held capital penalty. What a nice
Oh.
name.
Yeah, get off recon, Panda.
they
Because
go on
me and
assault.
Bloxburg were doing fine.
Oh no,
Bro.
let
Reset.
Red Panda recon, bro. He's never
Alright.
shot.
Doesn't get to shoot a lot, bro.
Yeah, bro.
It's fine. Don't reset until you die.
Recon sucks, but just stay on assault.
Yeah.
Yo, they
Assault's
took the
bad.
term.
They
I
got
mean,
the
I'm
term
pretty
again,
good.
man.
Selector,
Alright,
tell
I'm
me
gonna
if
confirm.
you see anybody.
You need leadership,
Teddy, you
bro.
stay. Teddy,
Alright.
you you stay here. I'm gonna go to the terminal.
It's so dog. Let's get this shit over with so we can never come
It
again.
is shit. I need someone to watch